Avoid buying these 6 new cars. With today's high interest rates and inflated MSRPs, buying a new car, truck, or SUV is not a decision to take lightly. In a challenging market like this one, it's all about getting as much bang for your thinly stretched dollar as possible. That said, some new models should give drivers pause no matter how tempting the loan offer might be. Here's a look at the new cars that don't stack up to the competition in their segments in 2023. With a starting price of around $18,000, drivers on a budget might be tempted to settle for the Mitsubishi Mirage, especially since it's one of the last subcompact hatchbacks on the market. But buyers should know that it's not inexpensive, it's cheap. Owners complain about the lack of power and claim the car is not fun to drive. With a comically inadequate 3-cylinder, 78 horsepower engine, the Mirage is a glorified golf cart with barely enough muscle for quick jaunts around town, much less highway driving. There haven't been enough updates to indicate that the 2024 year model will be any better. So, if you care about performance, you should look into a car with more oomph. Joe Garandi, Director of Sales and Marketing for International Auto Shipping and CFR Classic, cites J.D. Power 2023 U.S. Vehicle Dependability Study in calling Land Rover the least reliable brand on the market. Land Rover exceeded the industry average of 186 problems per 100 vehicles, with an ugly 273 PP100 vehicles in 2023. Echoing similar results, Warren Wise placed the Land Rover model on the bottom of the list. Garandi said the report gave the Range Rover a 20.2 out of 100 score, citing the very frequent electrical and mechanical repair issues that largely affected how reliable the vehicle was. On average, owners are predicted to have to deal with at least 2 repair issues a year. The largest vehicle in the Nissan lineup, the Armada boasts a powerful standard V8 engine, but its primary selling point is also one of its biggest drawbacks. The 2023 Nissan Armada is not fuel efficient, said Taha Atta, mechanical engineer and editor for Auto Globes. Also, the Armada's maneuverability may be hindered, especially in tight spaces or urban environments, due to its substantial size and weight. Navigating through congested areas poses a challenge. Lastly, despite Nissan's gradual improvement in reliability, some consumers may need to be more concerned about forthcoming maintenance costs. Motor Trend rates the Armada's 5-year ownership costs as poor across all 4 trim options and pans its third row as cramped. The Wrangler is undoubtedly an icon, but off-road warriors might want to look elsewhere. The 2023 Jeep Wrangler is without a doubt the worst vehicle that consumers should avoid buying. That's what Robert Lucero, automotive engineer and editor for Automotive Widget, said. Lucero cited the Wrangler's subpar fuel efficiency, but was mostly leery of its reliability. Throughout 2023, including the previous year, the Jeep Wrangler had encountered a range of issues, including reports of faulty electrical systems, troubled engine performance, problematic powertrain behavior, concerns related to steering performance, structural integrity worries, compromised visibility aspects, and instances of lane departure difficulties. Lucero said, similarly, engine troubles could result from quality control lapses during manufacturing, impacting the engine's performance, fuel efficiency, and overall dependability. If you're in the market for one of the dwindling numbers of sedans, you might have read that Nissan recently recalled more than 250,000 Sentras for issues that can cause a loss of steering control. This came as no surprise to at least one expert. The Nissan Sentra is a well-known name in the world of affordable sedans for its reputation for excellent gas mileage. That's what Azam Sheikh said of Carfax. On the other hand, it has a reputation for being one of the least reliable vehicles available today. The engine, the transmission, and the electrical systems are the most common places for faults to manifest. Although none of the experts who spoke with Go Banking Rates mentioned the 2023 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport, it has earned an unenviable place on this list. According to Consumer Reports, it has the lowest consumer satisfaction rating of any vehicle on the road. Just 38% of owners said they would buy it again. J.D. Power gives it just 72 out of 100 in terms of reliability, and Cars and Drivers caution drivers about mediocre interior materials, substandard fuel economy, and available V6 that underperforms.